What is up, everybody? We are heading to our filming location to get some outside roller footage for you guys and stuff like that, just to try and really show you the sound of this nasty exhaust, man. Because just through my point of view, it doesn't really do it justice. You know, you gotta get up close and personal, so we got a pretty cool idea to showcase that. So hope you guys like it. You know us, we're all about production. Thinking we're Hollywood or something, you know what I mean? Nah, we just like doing quality stuff, and I feel like, you know, there's certain things you got to do to really kind of showcase this exhaust. So no cars, no cars, no cars. Roll. That was short-lived. It's always this spot too. Bug went right into my windscreen, but it was like right where my left eye is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Daddy. I'm sure you guys can tell I'm super excited about this exhaust. It's bringing out the nasty in me. They're like, oh yeah, you know, man, he's, you know, real chill, you know, just, oh, one of them cruiser guys, you know, he's laid back, unlike Brandon, he's a crazy ass mofo, and I'm over here smashing like I've never smashed before. Yeah, baby.
At this moment that he knew he fucked up.
What the f are you doing, man? piece of piece of ooh, that got me heated. So for those of you that don't ride, that's the kind of shit we have to deal with. Is stupid like that think they own the road and have no regard for anybody's life. Fucking piece of shit. Ouch.